I'm going to be showing unboxing and setup for Divoom for this product that I received. So Divoom's catchphrase or slogan is "Spark Your Life." I didn't know that they had all these locations: Shanghai, Tokyo, Seoul, Paris, and Los Angeles. And they always have been sending very nice packaging. And they also included a charger. So this 100-watt cable 100 Type-C charger. So it's Type-C to Type-C, very nice yellow charger for what they sent me. And I actually asked them about this product. Divoom does a lot of pixel art. I love pixel art. You can see there's a pixel art there in the background. So Divoom, Spark Your Life. But yeah, very nice bag here. I usually keep their bag because I like the bags very much. So it's got, again, the Spark Your Life. And you can see it kind of looks like a fire hydrant. Yeah, it looks like a fire hydrant. And it's and I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Divoom 65. GAN fast charge. So it's a charger, basically, for charging your chargers. And just a second, let me get it out of the plastic so we can see here what it looks like. Ferdy's over here waking up, and he's sleeping on the bed. Nothing for you, Ferds, nothing for you. Go back to sleep. I know I'm making noise. I'm trying to get it out. Just a second here. I'm gonna have to pull on it a little harder. Let me ask Emo, do you like chargers?
I can't do this because I'm not connected to a home station.
Okay. He's got a home station. I gotta find his home station, actually. Emo, do you like pixel art?
Pixel art is a charming digital art form using tiny squares of color to create images. It pays homage to retro gaming aesthetics and brings a nostalgic vibe that's like a tiny, colorful world waiting to be explored.
Okay. Anyway, so it's also in a little case here, which is nice. I think the Timesgate had a case. I don't remember what I did with the case. I did bring it with me, but I just don't know where I put it. I have the Timesgate too. Oh, wow, this feels so nice. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. I got a little stand for him. I think that's a stand for him. Let me look at the manual. I've got a little in there. But yeah, I like that's a nice case. Opens easily. Even with one hand, I was able to open the case. Okay, so let me see here. I want to look at this briefly though before. Look at that. That's so cute. The little, fire hydrant. And it's got a little, see here, little base. You can plug it in when you're not doing that, Anyway, so let me read the book. Divoom 65. And of course it flipped. Oh, this is the Chinese instructions. Well, let's find the English instructions. They got to be here somewhere. I think this is it. Stand here. Oh. Okay, it doesn't want to stay up. Before using, please carefully read the user manual. Visit the official website, www.divoom.com, Divoom. Okay. GAN Fast Charger, User Guide. Thank you for purchasing our product. Divoom 65 is a 65-watt charger featuring new semiconductor materials, gallium nitride. With a cute and fun appearance, it combines a pixel screen with a Divoom app, offering various playful features. The product has rich interfaces, dual Type-C, single USB, Type-C 1, Type-C 2 single port can output up to 65 watt, and USB single port can output up to 18 watt. It is compatible with multiple fast charging protocols and supports PPS charging mode, providing fast and safe charging, covering the charging needs of most digital products. And then they got a little graphic here, just a second. And it shows Type-C 1 to the left, Type-C 2, USB A. And then let's go back to C. First, download and install the Divoom app on your smartphone. I already have the app to use my other Divoom products. Search for and connect to DPOW65. Use the app to experience changing pixel animations, clock faces, and other functions. It's going to have pixel art on the screen, and that's why I wanted it. Just a second, let me find an outlet. I'm going to use this outlet, I think, just temporarily, because because this is upside down in order to see it, and because if I do it the other way, I'm not going to be able to see it at all because it'll be upside down. So we'll do, there we go. Look at that. I love this yellow charge, and this charger looks very cute, pinkish color. So I'm going to have to set up the app, so just a second, let me get my other phone for that. Divoom. And I've got to try to add it. Oh, they had an Easter thing that I didn't even know about. It's actually on the home screen. When you go to the home screen, it's got add device. And it's going to be, it's searching. Oh, there, it's already sees it. Oh, so it connected pretty quickly. Look at that. That's great. That's great. So cute. Again, it's upside down. I'll try to get something later. So let's see here. Oh, they've even got it here on their app. The one that's fire truck red and black. So darn cute. Looks like an actual fire hydrant. They all do. This one's so cute though. I like this color. Let's see here. Let me try to find some ones here to do Pixel City. Do Pixel City. Look at that. That's so cute. And then you can do clock settings and set like display time and all sorts of stuff. As you can see, setup's very straightforward. You can add your own pixel art as well, like I did for my bag, cyber bag, that Divoom sent me. I just love their stuff, and they're such a nice company, actually. They're very nice people. This is such a cool charger. Thanks for watching. Figured out what this is for. It's to be like this, and then it's like a little, like, you put it on the wall or just like this maybe, and you can put, and then Ferdy's over here. I usually keep their food over here. I'd moved it for showing this. Unfortunately, I have to unplug this, which means it's gonna shut off. Go with it, and so it's a little home for him, like that. It's cute. And probably if you're going to store it, like you can do, probably you're not supposed to have it upright, in fact. So his little bed. He can go to sleep now.